What's up guys, welcome back to Financial Hawks. In today's video, we'll be going over 5 ways you can make money online today. And if you haven't already, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to stay connected on this financial journey. Now the first way to make money online that I totally would recommend is making a YouTube channel. There's a plethora of different ways to make money this way, from YouTube AdSense, affiliate links, to different sites just like Amazon affiliates, or even selling your own stuff. If you do plan on selling your own stuff, you can sell your own merch directly through your YouTube channel and get that audience right there without having to worry about any other platforms. The second way you can create money online today is by creating a blog site. You can create a blog site specifically for a niche, just like dog training, for example. And from this, you can sell merchandise to your niche, or go to Google and type in your niche in affiliates. And from the drop down, you should get a plethora of different affiliates that you can then contact or sign up for. And from there, you can go ahead and start putting your affiliate links throughout your blog site. So not only are you helping out people with your information, you'll also be able to get a commission on top of that. Number 3, sell t-shirts. You can use sites like Teespring and others to pretty much create your own t-shirt. Pretty much create your own t-shirt online. And then from there, you can go ahead and sell this to your friends and family, or you can sell it through your social media platforms like on your YouTube channel, through your Instagram, through your Twitter, etc., etc. Sites like Teespring allow you to create t-shirts without actually physically making it and physically mailing it out. You'll be able to go ahead and create your design, and then from there they'll be able to take care of everything else. So pretty easy and a good way to make some extra change depending on how serious you are and depending on the network of your friends and family or your social media platform. Number 4, you can do online gig work. You can use sites like Upwork, Fiverr, Craigslist. There's a lot of them. And from there, you can do either smaller to medium-sized gigs for one-time payment, where you do a task and get paid right afterwards. So maybe you get a video editing and you can go ahead and do some video editing gigs for people. Or maybe you're just good at something small, like removing the green screen from backgrounds. There's a lot of online gig work for most tasks online. So you should definitely be able to find at least 1 or 2 sites where you can find some gigs that you would be able to do and start making cash today. And last but certainly not least, number 5, drop shipping. Now with drop shipping, it's pretty much your customer places an order and pays you, and then you forwarding that to a supplier at a wholesale price. And then from there, the supplier goes ahead and take care of the product in terms of getting it created and sending it to your customer. The way you make money from this is that you're getting the retail price minus the wholesale price that you're actually paying the supplier for, and getting that difference. Now with more and more people doing drop shipping, this can definitely be a hit or miss, and the margins can be slim, but something that you can do further research on to see if this is something that you think can fit and be a right path for you. So yeah guys, those are 5 ways you can go ahead and start making money online today. If you have any other recommendations, please be sure to go ahead and leave those in the comments section. I would definitely like to hear you guys' thoughts, and I'm sure the many others who may end up watching this video will also appreciate that as well. And also too, if you haven't already, you should definitely check out the 30 Days to YouTube course, link below. I will guide you guys on how to create a YouTube channel within 30 days. Perfect for beginners, but also pretty good for experienced people as well. Kind of going over the foundational part of creating a YouTube channel, but also creating a channel that will not only get views, but will also make you money. So go ahead and check that out if you haven't already. Anyway guys, we're gonna go ahead and end this video right here. And if you haven't already, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.